see if this box is good. Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Okay. Let's start with a few packs here. Cards over here. Baby Dragon. Ah. It's ulti the rank up magic. That's cool. I have high hopes for this box. Let's see. The Sacred Sword of 7 Stars. Yeah. Cool stuff. Okay. Having trouble with these packs, man. Another rare. Baby Dragon. The Mermaid Whale. The whale. A lot of these cards will be for trade, so if you're interested in trading, hit me up. And I might be able to do a trade. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. Rare, super, battling boxer. Hate the name. Burning Knuckler was the good one. Thank you, Vanessa, for the camera work here. So, Vanessa's the one doing the cam work. Thank you, Vanessa. Let's see here. Yeah. Rares, a lot of rares. Damn. try to get some more duels up. It'll be better quality as well. Shortly. Just, oh, Tachyon. Yay. Gotta have Tachyon. Last time I did the autocorrect for YouTube, that did not work. Oh, it's Dragosack. Yes. So freaking expensive. That's a good card. Fooling Dragosack made this box very, very bueno. Very good. What else can we pull? Okay, we got rare. Down to the final packs. You can get another super. Sneaking ulti in there. Oh, it's rare. And there's super. Noble arms. Yeah, there's like a Guavalchi VOD or something in this set too. Kind of cool for the Noble Knight stuff. Last pack. Let's see what we got going on here. Rare. And that'll do it. So, you have a lot of rares here. Some dragons, other stuff. Let's see. And I always do this. And those two. Okay. And for our supers, we have these. Tachyon. So getting played right now. It's not even funny. Okay. Then our ulti is this, and of course Dragosack was our secret. And that about does it. Again, if you would like to trade for some of this stuff, minus, you know, maybe him and him, they'll be up for trade. Let me know. And later.